Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to set up notification summary on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is just open up your settings. Once you're there, go to notifications right here, then tap on scheduled summary. Once you're here, just tap on the switch button to enable it. Then this will pop up, so just tap on continue. Then now you could pick all of the apps that you want to choose the notification summary for. So you could tap on show more to reveal more apps. So let's say I want Messenger, Instagram, and Gmail. So I'll just tap on add 3 apps right here. Then now you could add a time to choose when you'd like to receive your notification summary. So on default, this is turned on. And you could also add more. You could also adjust the time if you want. As you can see, you could add more or just add schedules or time to your liking or preference. Now you can also adjust the time. Once you're done, just tap on turn on notification summary. As you can see, it will automatically be added. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.